The luxury MPV segment barely exists in the UK today, dominated almost entirely by Mercedes' own V-Class and largely invisible to anyone shopping outside the chauffeur and executive transport world. Mercedes is betting that positioning its next-generation people carrier as a genuine luxury product, rather than a dressed-up van, will pull in buyers who'd otherwise never have considered the segment at all. The VLE rides on Mercedes' new van.ea electric architecture, a clean break from the Vito-based EQV and the combustion V-Class it's replacing. UK pricing is expected to start around £75,000, roughly $100,000, with the single-motor VLE 300 producing 272 horsepower from a 115 kWh battery pack and covering roughly 440 miles WLTP, approximately 320 to 340 miles on the U.S.EPA cycle, while the dual-motor VLE 404 adds all-wheel drive and 416 horsepower. Both run on an 800-volt system capable of adding up to 220 miles of range in 15 minutes at a fast charger, figures pulled straight from Mercedes sedan and SUV lineup rather than a typical van spec sheet, and a notable jump over the outgoing EQV in every respect that matters. Luxury MPVs remain a niche curiosity in Europe and North America, but they're an established status symbol elsewhere. Chauffeur-oriented models have become a fixture in China, where rivals like the Lexus LM, Volvo EM90 and BYD's Denza D9 already compete for exactly the kind of buyer Mercedes hopes to find in the UK. Mercedes-Benz Vans head Thomas Klein has framed the VLE as the start of a broader repositioning for the division, saying the brand is redefining a whole segment with the launch. Mercedes isn't stopping at the VLE. Sitting above it will be the Mercedes Maybach GLS, a grand limousine expected to price north of $200,000, around £147,000, when it arrives, giving Mercedes a two-tier luxury van lineup that mirrors its Maybach sedan and SUV strategy. Whether buyers in the UK, or the US, where the VLE isn't expected until 2027 or 2028, actually show up for either model remains to be seen. But Mercedes is clearly betting the segment's ceiling is higher than its current sales figures suggest, in dollars or pounds.